Forest Health Program is part of the California Climate Initiative in CalFire. Its main focus is to create forested landscapes that are resilient to disaster and extreme conditions like drought, wildfire, infestations, stuff like that. We offered a few different types of grants for interested applicants. The Standard Forest Health Grant provides up to $7 million per grant, and that can fund various things, including fuels treatment like thinning and mastication, pest management, so it could be herbicide treatment, site preparation, invasive plant removal, biomass utilization. So taking those wood products out of the forest and using them for things like renewable energy, heat, electricity, biochar, whatever. There's a minimum 800-acre requirement for these grants, and we encourage the applicants to get together with other landowners and other partners to make these landscape scale type projects. We do have a new tribal wildfire resilience planning and implementation grant. There's up to $5 million available per grant and $19 million for this upcoming solicitation period. And the only applicants that can apply for that would be tribal entities. The grant doesn't have to fully encompass tribal lands though. It can also be adjacent to or just not including tribal lands. The important thing is that the tribal entity is the one that applies for the grant. I would say a big thing is that the applicant is not necessarily equipped to carry out or implement the project fully, or they don't understand the complexity of it. They may end up running out of funds because they didn't plan their budget correctly. So that's a big thing to make sure you have figured out beforehand. I would say read the grant guidelines because it spells out exactly what you need to do to have a competitive application. It even goes through our scoring list of how we review the applications. So if you can hit all those things on the scoring sheet and explain or justify how you fall into those categories, then you'll have a very competitive application.